If you have your Riyadh Air virtual assessment coming up, then this video is going to help you with the exact question asked. What were the challenges you can face, and most importantly, what are certain tips that has helped my students prepare better while they were taking their offline training. So without any further ado, let me spill all the beans for you. Your assessment is going to be in three parts. First part is cabin crew immersive test. Second, speaking test. And third is going to be your listening ability test. Now in your first round, you're going to get 11 situational based questions. You are going to get a situation and then 4 options. You need to pick up the best possible solution of the above situations. I have given you sample questions. Please take the screenshot of these and prepare better. These were asked from one of my students. Round 1 is very easy. All you need is your situational awareness and think like a cabin crew before you pick up any option, and be more vigilant. Now when you move ahead, you are going to have your second part. Now here they are going to evaluate your visuals, that is your appearance, your body language, your smile and everything. Number 2, they are going to evaluate your communication skills, your articulation and your voice modulation. So while recording your answer, keep a check on each and every word that you are saying with how your expressions are going on. Now here there is a little challenge that you might face. While one of my students was recording her answer, she recorded the answer and later she realized her microphone is off and only the visuals are visible but there is no audio, and she submitted her assessment. Now this could be a reason for rejection if your audio is not working. So before you record your answer, I insist that you check your microphone and your surroundings so that there is no distraction. At this moment, also check your Wi-Fi, because if the Wi-Fi goes off, your assessment will be submitted automatically. So these were the little challenges that were faced by my student, and I am hoping only for the positive reward, but since you are here, you should not make blunder. And also keep a plain background. Give your assessment only via laptop. If you plan to give your assessment through phone, it will not be accepted. If you use any AI or any other tool or a teleprompter, again your assessment will be disqualified. So make sure that you look directly in the camera and you record your answer. You must be wondering, but what exactly was the question asked? Well, the question asked was, what makes you the right fit for Riyadh Air? And here is a sample answer. Please do not mug up this answer. You can use it for your self practice or to practice your voice modulation, but try not rote learn this answer because it will not reflect your right emotions and your authenticity. Now the good news is you are going to get only one question to record, not 3, not 4 like the earlier times. It has become much more easier. Now as a tip, I would suggest you to smile as big as possible and make eye contact with the camera while recording. And again a reminder, please check your microphone. Most of the time microphone is off and you will keep recording and it is waste of your time and effort. However, you're going to get 2 chances to check your answer and submit the best one. So I feel Riyadh is doing a great job giving you an opportunity to recheck your answer and then submit. But again, microphone network is your responsibility. Now we move ahead with our third and the last part of assessment. This is your listening ability test. You're going to have 8 situations or conversations heard. Based on the conversation that you will listen, there will be 1 question asked and you have to pick up the right answer. For example, a customer on 12B asked for a glass of water, 15C asked for whiskey, and 13C asked for cup of tea. Now you will have certain situations. What did 15C asked for, and then the options, you have to pick one. So it's very easy. You do not have to worry about the difficulty level. बहुत आसान assessment है आपका. All I want you guys to do is pay attention to what they are saying and sit in a non-distraction area where you cannot see anybody except you, and you need 100% vigilance to do this assessment. It's going to take you a total 25 to 30 minutes. And grooming must be intact. You can wear a blazer, shirt, pant and socks or heels. Makeup अच्छा करिएगा, tie ज़रूर लगाइएगा if you are a male, and please keep your nails proper. So if you have any questions regarding your Riyadh Air virtual assessment, I will be more than happy to help you. Please comment below all your doubts and I will assist you. Happy learning and all the best.